Software Spring. Presents. How to calculate mutual fund rolling returns in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to calculate a mutual fund rolling returns. Before we get started, here is a request. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your support. Alright, let's start with the question, what are mutual fund rolling returns? Mutual fund rolling returns are a series of compound annual growth rates, calculated for different time windows, over a time frame. Key point. The time windows can be every day, every week, or every month of the time frame. Rolling returns assist to check the consistency of returns during bull, bear, and sideways markets relative to its benchmark. Rolling returns help calculate the average, maximum, and minimum returns over the time frame. Going forward, let's calculate the rolling return, average, maximum, and minimum return. Here is the CAGR formula. Let me use the power function, which is an easier way to calculate the CAGR. The power function formula is. The modified power function formula to calculate the CAGR is. Let me type the formula. Alright, let me display the CAGR, with only 2 decimal places, and format the CAGR, in percent. Okay, let me use the average function, to calculate the average. Now, I will use the max and min function to calculate the maximum and minimum return over the 3-year time period. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.